So good morning everyone. Again, this is Leia Manatag and I'm going to give my understanding regarding the module of environmental science, that the importance, the definition, from scopes and its importance. Okay, so the definition. So the science of environment studies, it is called a multidisciplinary science because it has the branches of science that studies chemistry, physics, like public health, like that, etc. So there are three uh involves questions about environment: by what is surrounded, by what surrounded, and where surrounded. Okay, and then there are also environment. The environment consists of four segments as under atmosphere, where atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. And then when we say atmosphere, it is the atmosphere implies the protective blanket of the gases surrounding the earth. The hydrosphere is the comprises all types of water resources: oceans, lakes, rivers, streams, reservoirs, polar ice caps, glaciers, and groundwater. Wherein it says in the module that 97% of the water is coming from the oceans, and then the 2% is coming lack of the polar ice caps and the glaciers. Wherein the 1%, the fresh 1% of the water is coming from uh, the lake, water, rivers, lakes, streams, underground water that is fit to be used or to be consumed by the man or by the human. Okay, so when we say also lithosphere, it is the outer mantle of the solid earth. It consists of minerals occurring the earth's crust and soil. Biosphere indicates the realm of living organism under interactions with environment. And then there are elements of environment. Okay, physical elements, biological elements, cultural elements. There are three, so it consists of three the elements of environment. Wherein the physical elements are space, that landforms, those water bodies like climate, soils, rocks, and minerals. And then when we say biological elements, it is such plants, animals, microorganisms that constitute the biosphere. Cultural elements also in the other side is economic, social, and political elements are essentially man-made features. Okay, environments environment studies importance. Okay, so why it is important to have environmental studies? Because it would enlighten us. It is the way to enlighten people uh, to like mm, to protect, how to protect, conserve the environment, like protection and conservation of our indiscriminate release of pollution in the environment. At present, great number of environmental issues have grown in size, complexity day by day, so threatening the survival of mankind. So it is important to study environmental studies for us to be aware that we should protect the environment because we human are ruining the environment. We are destroying the environment. Okay, so environment studies have become significant for the following reasons. So na siya yung mga following reasons why environmental issues being an international importance. So this means that it is means that uh, we need international efforts and cooperation to address these issues. Problems crop in the wake of development, explosively increase in pollution, need for an alternative solution, and the need to save humanity from extinction, need for wise planning of development, Mesra's report, and yeah, that's all. And then need for public awareness. Why it is need to public awareness? Because it is essential to make the public aware of the formidable consequences of the environmental degradation. Not retorted and reformative measures undertaken would result in extension of life. We are facing various environmental challenges. So, mao na siya nganong kinahanglan why there is a need for public awareness for us to not be so abusive when we are going to use the environment, because sometimes we human are sometimes we forget that environment is need for care, need for love, that coming from us the people living in the environment. So, thank you.